Hey friends, welcome. I have a real treat for you today. Look at this little baby doe that's sitting in my front yard. Today I am joining Christina with the DIY Mommy for her challenge. It is for DIY and decor for 2018 for springtime, and I'm going to show you the little touches that I made on my front porch. So let's go on over here and let's go up on my front porch, and I will show you all the beautiful changes that I made. Okay, when you first come up on my porch, the first thing you'll see are these hotel or motel chairs, and I love to collect them. I just think that they're so vintage and nostalgic looking. And as you get a little bit closer, you'll see that I have a table here. It's a three-tiered table, and it was red, and I painted it white, and I added these planters to it, and then I added this vintage watering can, and I used that can to water my flowers. And then a friend of mine gave me this cable wire holder, and I made it into a table. And I added this sign from Hobby Lobby, Joy Comes in the Morning. And then I added another box over here. I painted it red, and then I put a clay pot inside, and on the inside of that is a real bird's nest, and I put that in there. It still has some eggs in it. And then I added this clock that I got from Goodwill. And then in the chairs, I added these cushions that I picked up at Big Lots, and they were 2 cushions for $20 a piece. And then I keep my sign here on the floor. Hey y'all, it is my rug for the front porch, front entry. And then for my front door, I spruced up my basket on the front door by adding some beautiful flowers to that. I added some pink and yellow for the springtime. And I have 2 areas on my porch that we love to sit and enjoy coffee and lemonade. Over here is another one of those motel chairs, and I got this topiary from Big Lots, and I placed it on this mosaic table. And then the cushion in this chair, it's a pillow, and I just covered it with a pillowcase. So over here is the other sitting area. And I'll get a little bit closer so that you can see the couple of changes that I made. I added this pot and added some faux flowers to it. And then I added this pot and added some more faux flowers. I placed some springtime magazines out here on my coffee table. And then on the chairs, I added these pillows that I picked up from Walmart. They had the best price on their pillows. They're $5 each. And then the cushions, I replaced those, and I got these from Walmart as well, and they were $8 a piece. And then I added a new lamp out here from Goodwill, and I was able to get this lamp for free because I had a stamp that was filled, and once you fill your stamp, you can purchase anything in the store and you get it for free. So we sit out here and we enjoy coffee and lemonade. And here are my roses, and they kind of make this area secluded. I have an old rickety lantern here, and it's sitting on an old planter. And then here's my little bunny that I move all over the house. And then I have this rickety ladder that I've had for quite some time, and I like to keep it out here on my front porch. I've got a Simplify sign there. I've got a pot with some faux flowers hanging over and a beautiful sunflower. And that right there came off of the gate from the childhood home that I grew up in. And then on my ladder, I wanted to show you what I did, which I'm really excited about. Let me see if I can get it for you. I painted the letters welcome on the side of the ladder, so that when people come up on the porch, they feel welcomed, and I absolutely love that. These are my changes that I made for spring 2018, and I just want to thank Christina with the DIY Mommy for hosting this challenge. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if so, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already joined my family, please do so. I would love to have you join. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in the next video, guys. Be sure to watch the other participants in this challenge, and thank you for watching. See you later, guys. Bye, y'all.